Let me show you this new bathroom mirror. It is lighted. It is intended for vanities or places where you need a light in the mirror. Nicely packed with metal corners, so it is protected, okay? And as you can see, this is the mirror back where you get the user manual. This whiteboard will help you to get rid of the fog in the front of the mirror. And of course, this is the lighting connector, okay? This is the, hook that you will put in the wall like this, so the mirror will hang from it, okay? As you can see, you can hang the mirror horizontally or vertically, okay? You have both options like this, okay? Here you have it. Of course, it has a protecting film, and you can turn it on, light, anti-fog or defog option, and turn it off again. Let's install it. As you can see, we have our mirror installed already. You see how beautiful it is? We can turn it on and you get some nice lighting in different colors or temperatures. Let me turn off the other light. Okay, so now you see how beautiful it looks. You can have colder or warmer temperature, okay? And if you have a fog in your mirror, you can turn on the anti-fog system, okay? So it will heat a little bit the mirror and the fog will go away. So really, really nice mirror for your bathroom. Really recommended. Thank you.